Hey everybody, it's Prospector Jess and huntingforgold.com. I'm here tonight with a topic that I just wanted to kind of go over with you. We've been talking a lot about various things to help you find gold, and you can find links on that. I've got, the offers on 2020 and GGM and all that stuff. But what I really want to kind of go over tonight is something kind of near and dear to me, and that is over the last couple of weeks I've lost a sister, and I've just this weekend lost a very dear friend and somebody who was going to be my son's father-in-law. So it's kind of one of these things where you just stop and it's shocking, and there's no way to really explain or talk about it to anybody. But the reality is that this happens in life. You should always look at gold as something that's just an adjunct and fun, and not the end in itself. But those you love and those you're near to are precious, like gold. And so any opportunity you have to spend time with people and to get to know them and show them that you love them or tell them that you love them, you should take that opportunity, because that is gold. And that's just a pointer about prospecting. Keep it in mind, and keep this whole thing we're talking about in the right frame of mind. It's very easy, especially if you start finding gold or valuable things, to lose track of the value that you have and the God-given friends and family that you have near you, even the ones you don't necessarily get along with. That's true of my case. It's one of those things where you learn quickly that there is value in every relationship, in every situation, with every person, that far exceeds the value in something that other people perceive as being valuable, such as gold. So I just wanted to give you that little miner's tip. Keep digging, keep prospecting, and I don't want to spend a whole lot of time going over this. I just wanted to let you know what was on my mind. I've had some people kind of ask questions. Frankly, I'm kind of in shock, and it's a little difficult to discuss. And that's something we do, particularly engineers and prospectors. We tend to bury our feelings because it's something we're used to doing, and it's not necessarily a healthy thing. So just remember to keep yourself going and keep going after those you love, and know that there's gold in that, and gold in those relationships. It's so important. So that's kind of it for tonight. I was going to make it a real short and sweet thing. I think we'll go into a little more detail. I've had some people ask questions about the angular aspect of last night's video versus the kind of curved surfaces on gold, and what did I mean by angular. So I'll talk more about that later, and we'll get into more of the detail. I've had several people request more detail on the different sites. We might try some other approaches to what we're doing, but I just thought I'd drop this kind of public service note about a situation that's going on, and let you know. And if you have situations going on, make sure you take care of those you love. It's really important, and it is gold, really gold. That's the good stuff. Prospector Jess, over and out for tonight.